Well guys, in all the years I've been coming here, I've never stopped to look at this clock. I now see it tells you when the tide is. You can probably read that on the side there as well as me. 3 black hands showing the hours, minutes and seconds for our normal 12-hour cycle. 4th hand on the inner circle shows the number of hours until the next high or low tide. The tide clocks runs on a 12-hour 25-minute cycle. This is half the 25-hour 25-minute lunar cycle.
Okay, cool. Alright, so so it is being calculated right now anyway, so it's back the interest calculated. Yeah, that's cool. Okay.
So at the moment, the inner hand is just there. It's just gone past the 1, so it's less than 1 hour until the high tide. So it's not going to be a very high tide today, if it's only got an hour left to go. We did have the very high tides when we arrived here about 5 days ago, 5 or 6 days ago. We were coming right up to the top of the breakwater. Another beautiful day today. Apparently it was misty this morning before I woke up. But the sun has cleared that. It's still hazy sky. I think if you were away from the coast looking towards us, it would look like we were covered in cloud. Just for reference, yes, those are lobster pots or crab pots. Lobsters is what the guy's trying to catch. And some of the buoys right out there, the white and red and orange, will be the markers for his crab pots, lobster pots, whatever. And I'm thinking of throwing one of my cameras over the breakwater, the underwater camera that is, just see if we see any wildlife, which is why I was interested in when it was high tide. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.